As a director, manager, or supervisor of an ice arena or ammonia-based refrigeration facility, ensuring the safety of your staff, the public, and the safe operation of your equipment is an important responsibility you hold. An unexpected ammonia release can cause severe health effects and even death, which is why the safety awareness and procedures at your facility are so important. Equipment failure and inadequate procedures and training accounted for over 75% of the preventable ammonia incidents, according to a 2017 industry assessment. But where can you turn to for information and guidance on assessing and minimizing your risks? The Ammonia Safety Awareness Program was created to help you understand your legal responsibilities as a director, manager, or supervisor of a recreational facility, teach you how to identify and manage technical safety risks at your facility to prevent incidents and reduce liabilities, and provide you with tips for budgeting and planning for asset management at each stage of its life cycle. This free training program will bring you up to speed on the information you need to know to keep your staff, the public, and your equipment safe. Visit the Technical Safety BC Ammonia Safety Awareness Program webpage today to get started.